Hello friends, today we are going to take some examples of Z transform which is important related to your exams. So the question is, find Z transform of f of k if f of k equals to k plus 1 into a raised to k where k greater than equals to 0. So solution, f of k equals to k plus 1 into a raised to k, which is given. Okay, so Z transform of f of k equals to Z, and substitute value for f of k here. Okay, so multiply a raised to k with each term, a raised to k into k, a raised to k plus a raised to k into 1, a raised to k. So take Z transform individual to for each term. So Z transform of k into a raised to k plus Z transform of a raised to k. We know some general formulas related to Z transform, that is Z transform of a raised to k is what? Z upon Z minus a. So how we get this formula? By using these steps, that is k goes from 0 to infinity. Our general formula is f of z into z raised to minus k. So what is our f of z? A raised to k. So take k common, that is a z raised to minus 1 into k, and simplify this as 1 plus a z raised to minus 1 whole raised to 1 plus whole raised to 2 up to n. So how to simplify this? By using 1 upon 1 minus a z raised to minus 1. This is our general steps. Okay, so substitute answer for z a raised to minus a z raised to k as z upon z minus a. This is general formula we can take directly instead of Z transform of a raised to k. And what about Z transform of k into a raised to k? Here a raised to k is multiplied with k. For that purpose we have to use multiply by k formula. So how can use that formula? That is Z transform of k into f of k equals to minus z d upon dz of f of z. Here we have to take f of z as 1 minus az raised to minus 1 whole raised to minus 1, because we have to find derivatives of this term, because here is what? D upon dz. So substitute all values in this equation. Therefore equation 1 becomes minus z d upon dz 1 minus az raised to minus 1 whole raised to minus 1 plus, this is answer for Z transform of a raised to k. Okay, and this is simplification for a raised to k, and this is for multiply by k. Okay, how we solve further? Find derivatives of this term. Treat this term as z and find find derivatives of z raised to minus 1. How we find derivatives? Use formula x raised to n x raised to n minus 1. So our example is z raised to minus 1. Substitute value instead of n as minus 1, that is minus 1 z raised to minus 1 minus 1, that is minus z raised to minus 2. What is our z? This is our z. So substitute value, that is minus z in bracket minus 1 minus az raised to minus 1 whole raised to minus 2, and which term we treat as z, find derivatives that z again. Okay, plus this term take as it is. So simplify this, we will get a z raised to minus 1 upon 1 minus a z raised to minus 1 whole raised to 2. This term is in numerator. If we take it is in the denominator, then power becomes plus, and this term z upon z minus a. Okay, so further simplify this, we will get az upon z minus a whole raised to 2. Take base common. By using LCM method, we will get az plus z in bracket z minus a upon this term. Okay, so multiply z with each term, z into z, z square, z into a, az, cancel az plus and this minus az. So final answer becomes z square upon z minus a square. This is our final answer for Z transform of k plus 1 into a raised to k. Like this we can solve any example of Z transform which is multiplied by K. Here our second example for multiply by K, as the question is find Z transform of f of k if f of k equals to k square into e raised to minus ak, where k greater than equal to 0. So write given f of k as it is. First of all, find Z transform of e raised to minus ak. Z transform of e raised to minus ak. Use this formula, Z transform of a raised to k as z upon z minus a. What is our a here? E raised to minus a. So put value z upon z minus e raised to minus a. This is Z transform of e raised to minus ak. Okay. So next what we have to find? E raised to minus ak is multiplied with k square. So first of all multiply that term with k. Z transform of k into e raised to minus ak, use multiply by k property which we seen in first example. So minus z d upon dz 1 minus e raised to minus a z raised to minus 1 whole raised to minus 1. Find derivatives of this term. We will get minus in bracket 1 minus e raised to minus a z raised to minus 1 whole raised to minus 2 into again derivatives of this term. Okay. So after solving this term we will get e raised to minus a z raised to minus 1 upon this term. If we take z raised to minus 1 as 1 upon z, then we will get final answer for k into e raised to minus ak as z e raised to minus a upon z in minus e raised to minus a whole raised to 2. This is our answer for k into e raised to minus ak, but what we have to find? K square into e raised to minus ak. Then again multiply this answer with k. That is how to find k square, k into k e raised to minus ak. We have answer of k into e raised to minus ak. Put this answer here and again use multiply by k property, that is minus z d upon dz and answer of k e raised to minus ak. So take e raised to minus a as constant. So minus z e raised to minus a, take outside of derivatives and we have to find derivatives of z upon z minus e raised to minus a square. Using how to find that derivatives? By using derivatives of u upon v rule, that is v derivatives of u minus u derivatives of v full term upon v square. Substitute values, take this term as v, this term as u and substitute values in the formula. So we will get, after solving this, minus z e raised to minus a, z minus e raised to minus a as common and in bracket z minus e raised to minus a minus 2z upon v square, that is z minus e raised to a raised to 4. So this is plus z, this is minus 2z. After cancelling, equation becomes e raised to minus a minus z. This is 1 power and this is 4th power. So cancel it. So it becomes 3 only. Okay. After solving this equation, take minus sign as common. Minus minus becomes plus. So z e raised to minus a e raised to minus a plus z upon in bracket z minus e raised to a whole raised to 3. This is our final answer. Thank you.